I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. I got another new fun shirt. Look. Oh boy, I don't know. I might have to step outside so you can see it. Hang on, let's see. Look. It's a ghost. Ain't that fun? It's a ghost, and he's got little bats around him, and he's got a little sock hat, and he's got a pumpkin, and like a little pumpkin latte. So yeah, ain't that cute? You know I got it off the Temu. You know I got it off the Temu. So lunch today is kind of bizarre. Not bizarre, but so I'm leaving at 12, right? Well, that don't mean my stomach don't get hungry at 11 still. So I figure I'd come out here with y'all for a couple minutes, take a little break, and then I'll go back inside and eat. So, oh, poop, I forgot tomatoes. But I got my usual salad. You know I got to have my salad. Oh, man. Cabbage in my car. I'm dumping cabbage. So, I'm only working. Hang on, let me see what time it is. All right, my salad. It's 11:17. All right, now this is not bizarre, but not normal for me. This is 2 of those chicken sausages. It's chicken and apple and a slice of fat-free cheese on top. I should have brought something to put on it, like ketchup or something, but I ain't always the brightest crayon in the box, am I? That's all right. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing today. I do know I got to go by the Walmart. I got to pick up my meds. Trying to think of what I have in my house because, I got to make my salads for the week. I think I might run in and pick up another rutabaga. We'll see. I'll tell you when I get home. But, all right. That's all you get is this little short time. I got to get back in there. I got 40 minutes left. I'll probably go by and see Angie, too. We'll see. Bye. We're at Angie's shop. Look, there's little Tawanda. We're talking nails today. She's actually got a customer in her chair that she paused for. Y'all know I see that. Y'all know I'm looking right at it. But I went to Walmart, and I got me an apple, and a rutabaga, and an onion. Oh, and a bag of something called Quest pizza chips. We'll try that together. But that's Angie's station right there with the little lady sitting in there. But anyway, so we're talking nails. She's going to let me borrow this stuff that you brush on, and it eats the top part of your nail so you don't have to soak. So she's going to let me try this out and see what I think. Well, hi. How you doing? You doing okay? I got to blow my nose. Hang on. So you may not have noticed, I have been super lazy when it comes to editing lately. I have not been, cutting out things and because I've been lazy. So I've just been trying to remember to push pause when I can. Yeah. Anyway, so what do I have? Some raw sliced rutabaga tonight. I was wanting some barbecue chicken. So I've got those 2 chicken thighs that I have cooked up. And then I wanted a little extra protein, so I have 1 egg. So it's 2 chicken thighs, 1 egg, and some sweet Baby Ray's, no sugar added Oh, dude. Hang on. Slab it. I got barbecue sauce all over me. I need a baby wipe. I'm gonna go to pool and they're gonna be like, you smell good. Except I'm not wearing this shirt to pool, so, and it didn't get on my clothes. I think it didn't, it just got on my arm. I ain't gonna take a bath though. So I'll be there and they're gonna be like, follow me around, like, hey baby, what's that perfume? I'll be like, oh, it's called Sweet Baby Ray's. Anyway, Now let's try this again. Corn flabbit. All right, now I didn't put any salt in this, but we'll just see what we think. I was really just craving barbecue chicken. I'm working on a video. See, today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Saturday morning you'll see this video. I'm working on a video of my nails. I took them off tonight. That was a hot mess. I used the stuff that my bestie uses. Hot shots tonight. Our new player, Chris Dunn, may be joining us tonight. Oh, okay. We got a new player. Anyway, so, yeah, so I took off my nails, and I was using the stuff that Angie, my bestie, sent me. I'm not sure I like it, but I'll see. I'll see, if I try it again next time. It's the kind you're supposed to put it on, and it eats away the acrylic. But what I felt like, because I'm so squirrely and antsy, I didn't let it sit for very long. I ended up having to do it like 5-6 times. So I feel like I would probably just do better off like just getting a little cotton and laying it over my nails and clamping it on. But anyway, oh, y'all, I'm just jibber jabbering. What is this? Raspberry cheesecake and pecan sticky bun. I know this is good. I had it the other day. Yes, sir, Bob. That's a good combo. Anyway, but yeah, so I'm going to be doing my nails Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and I'll record it. So I was kind of showing a little bit about how I took them off, and so just know when that video comes out, it ain't fancy like them fancy people's on the TikTok. So anyway, guys, I'll try to take you along tonight, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. Here we are at Pool League. We had such a good time. I really had a great night. My first night, this game right here, I'm playing 9-ball. And yeah, I didn't win 9-ball, but it was still fun. I really enjoy getting out there and shooting and playing and just having a fun time. So I kind of play, I try to not play with a whole lot of pressure. I just hope and aim and hope for the best. But obviously I miss a whole lot. Like I said, I missed this one, or I lost this game. I got ball in hand, and I got to put it where I want to. So sometimes that can be a good thing, sometimes not a good thing. But I got that one, so I said, yes. So I was excited about that. And so this was 9 balls, so you have to hit the balls in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. But you always have to pause whenever the person beside you is coming. But then our coach came in, and he was like, all right, what are you thinking here? I'm like, well, I'm going to shoot this ball up there. And he's like, well, let's talk a minute. So I always get a kick out of it when they talk to me and try to teach me stuff because, I want to learn. And then they set me up so pretty, and then I shoot, and it doesn't ever quite do exactly what they tell me to do. So he's like, all right, if you aim it here and you do this, then it's going to do this. And I'm like looking and like, okay, sure, we can do this. I can do this. And he's showing me, push all the way through when you shoot. Just push through. Don't just poke it. Don't just poke and go back. Just push all the way through. And now he's making sure I do see where I'm supposed to go at. The problem occurs when they walk away, and I'm left trying to figure out where was their finger at. And then he's trying to help me angle the back of my cue. I don't have a lot of awareness yet of where my cue is. Nope, I missed the ball totally. So, but that was okay. But like I said, it was a fun night. So this is just a few shots of me shooting. And like I said, I've had fun, made some, didn't make some, and that's okay. That's what it's all about for me. I kept this clip in here for you because looky here. Looky here. It goes, and and it goes in. I was like, yay! I said, that ain't even the pocket I was aiming for. I was aiming for the side pocket. But hey, I'll take it. A ball in is a ball in my opinion. So whoop, whoop. They've got all the ball games going on. Like, look at that, I just missed it. Now here's where we shifted to a different table because they run one table 9-ball, one table 8-ball. And I did much better in this game. I never know why I do better and why I don't do better. But anyway, I got a couple balls on this little round here. Well, I got one ball in. And so, oh, no, hey, I got 2 balls in. Go, Terri. Go, Terri. Whoop, whoop. I was happy. And now I think the coach is coming over to do a little bit of coaching. So once they're done coaching, I shoot the shot. He's trying to teach me a little bit about defense here. He's wanting me to get that cue ball behind another ball. So what that's going to do is that's going to leave her with not a good shot because she's trying to get in the 8-ball. So it didn't really quite work. But he's he's working on me, trying to teach me. And yeah, so it's been fun. But okay, bye. All right, guys, I'm pulling into my driveway. And because as soon as I get in there, them dogs, I got to let them out to go potty. So we got to do this fast. First game I played was 9-ball, lost that. The second game I played was 8-ball, and I won. I won it fair and square, so it wasn't even like she scratched on the 8-ball or something like that. So go, Terri. Go, Terri. I'm pretty excited. I won. So, yeah, I did good. Oh, gosh, y'all are way down there, ain't you? Well, it don't matter. It's dark. You can't see in anyway. But, yeah, so that's that. Hang on. When I close the garage door at nighttime, I like to keep it in reverse just so I can make sure somebody don't... Whew, I got to pee. So, yeah, I lost at 9-ball and won at 8-ball. So, yay, yay. All right, it is 12:15, though. Okay, I got to pee. Bye.